So, looking to launch your own AI-powered crypto website in minutes. Already done for you, Crypto Empire Builder gives you a professional AI-powered platform that's easy to use and quick to install. You just simply buy and install one domain. You don't have to wait days, weeks, or months even to have your crypto platform set up. Now it comes with an investment portfolio section, an AI-powered blog section. So this is a hands-off system that automatically posts blogs for you, which is latest news and stuff from crypto in real time. You don't have to write any post, so you can keep your users active or rather engaged and updated onto what's happening in the space. So no coding required, no wasting of time, just simply buy, install, customize to your branding and start making money. Selling, selling courses, selling mentorship, or selling, doing your investment stuff, whichever it is you want to do here. This is a three-in-one platform. It serves as a broker. It also serves as a blog, and it also serves a purpose to entrepreneurs or crypto entrepreneurs basically that are into the space and looking to like have an official website and platform for themselves, and also maybe a place to have your community kind of properly etched into the metaverse, so to say. As soon as you come to the platform, come to the website, this is the first thing you're greeted with a nice happening animation going on here. It's a slider, obviously, with little highlights on what's on the platform and all that. And when you scroll, get the investments kind of uh, settings first. Now everywhere now everywhere you see site name, meaning that's where you're going to you replace there with your brand name. So let's say if your platform name is Crypto Haven or something like that. Everywhere you see site name, that's where Crypto Haven would be. So just know that I created with small, nice animation. Then here has like the investment plans, this investment plan section. So it can be edited to however you want it to be. Whatever prices or whatnot you would like it to be, you can edit it towards it to it. Then it has a little referral bonus section here. Then you see investors. Now we could make a UK company house certificate for you if you want. You could have all these sections stripped out, like if you don't want it there. So here's the now there's this little thing popping up at the side. Let me show you guys. Let me move this to the side. So as you can see, there's this stuff popping at the side where you see people who the platform tells you so person has invested or so person bought the course. um you know right now I just turned everything all up, so it's just popping out left, right, center. It could be further customized onto how you want it popping out, either how frequently. You could go as far as even writing from where um, this person invested from, or where the student bought this course, how long ago. We could have those nitty gritty customization for you, but those comes with an extra fee, so just know that. Now let me check out the this is okay. So this is the news section, and right now I turned off the automation at the background because we don't need it. I've been running it initially for like a while, so since this is a demo, I'm just leaving it turned off. But this how it just automatically posts on the page for you. So basically, what happens here is that I've built an AI agent system that scrapes posts from top crypto platforms like Cointelegraph, CoinMarketCap, and all the rest, and I set out how often it makes post, be it maybe every hour you make a post. It stays scraping all of scraping these platforms. You could blast out all the post immediately, your choice, but you want to kind of set it so it's not too much overwhelming, just dumping intro. Okay, and let's say if we go into this was when FTX was still the shit. Okay, made this post. So on here you can see up top like this ad space in case like you have ads set up, or be from a brand, or you set up what do you call it again, or you set up the Google AdSense, whichever. But yes, basically this automatically gets to post on your page. And now we could also do that it doesn't just scrape posts from other platforms and just copy and paste. It can spin it. Are you getting me? Spin it, rewrite things altogether in a different style, and so it comes off unique and not just a copy and paste grab and go, because that won't be good if we're just copying and pasting. So no, that's not what's happening here. So you got more features, boom, boom, boom. It just says cryptocurrency mining platform, crypto based, instant withdrawals, payment flexibility, for investments, all that type of stuff. Now here's more social proof. So the shebang. Okay, I've checked here. So here is the academy section. Now it will be the name Crypto Haven Academy. So this has a nice backdrop showing the seminar going on. Little further writing concerning it, then some bit more social proof here. Then here has the different pricings for the mentorship program. Now if you want to touch this up, you have like other cost outline or something that you have set up, then we could actually edit this out to tally with your brand and what you're trying to do. Okay, so let that not be an issue. Now this has a countdown. So let's say for your next live section, or your next training section now, or webinar or something, people can come in and buy ticket directly from here. Connect it to Paystack, Flutterwave, and you just process the payment by yourself. So this is like a nice countdown to the day of the seminar or something. Now about section for the platform, just more stuff, what they do. Then here still has the investment plans. Now here's if you're going to ask questions, yada yada, what I should bank. How do I get cryptocurrency? It tells you where to get it from. How do I profit from? You know, this has like the different investment plans, ROI that it gives. Then my investment secure, yada yada, all that shebang. Okay. So here's the contact section, and little nice thing here. The platform would have its own live chats, of course. Now there's career section. If you and your company is looking to, list ads and have them posted up, you're looking for someone to work with you guys, then here's a nice section for you guys for that. Then here's affiliate a copy. So if you want to make changes to all this, again, you can make changes. You just let us know and we'll do that. When you see the site logo, of course, means that's where you'll put the logo inside it. So let's check out the user dashboard system. We'll go to sign up. Now you can't sign up right now because it's in demo, but I put a login here at the bottom for you guys, so you can easily get in to see what the platform looks like on the inside. So here has dashboard, referrals, deposits, investments. Let me open this in a new tab. Investments, which is different daily or however you're doing your returns, whatever. It's between you and your customers and clientels. Then withdraw, it has its deposit section and all that. The dashboard looks like this. Here shows the current account balance, what you have in the wallet. So basically you see how just direct investments. If you want a dashboard that is more of like an exchange platform, then you can hit me up and we can work that out. There's actually one available, so I'll have to do a video for that one. But it's different from how this platform looks, the interior. So we could actually even have that section matched up for you if you do want that, or if that's the kind of vibe you're after, then nope. This has, the user profile details with your wallet section. So that's it in a nutshell for the Crypto Empire Builder. So if you need this, check the description below. I have all the details on there, how you can contact me and reach me. Or there'll be a direct link you could just click and you can buy right away and we can get to talking. So links to the WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere you want to find me is on there. I think I will just leave just one link there so you can just come directly to me. So, you guys don't get confused. Then my emails will be at the bottom too. Basically, everything you need to reach me or make a purchase of this product is in the description below. You can contact me on WhatsApp, send me an email, or reach out to me on social media, whichever one best suits you. I'm available on all of them. So, and if you need any changes done, any customization done on this, you can reach out and we'll work out something for you on how you want it to be. So that will be all for now, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good rest of the day. Peace.